Kepok banana, the legendary hearty one, from garden to dinner tablet. Have you ever wondered about a type of banana that's always around, but never seems to be the main star? It's not the sweet, curvy Ambon banana, nor is it the large Raja banana. But bananas have a distinctive, flat, square shape. Yes, Pisang Kepok. Look, you can clearly see the details of the original appearance of the flesh of a banana kepok from a microscope. It's tough, difficult to peel when raw, and not delicious eaten raw. Yet, strangely, it's a favorite in the kitchen, whether fried, boiled, or made into compote. Why is that? What's the secret behind this stubborn? In this very special video, we'll take a complete journey. We'll explore its mysterious origins. We'll dissect the science behind its hardness, reveal its hidden nutritional content, and even reveal who should be wary of eating it. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll look at Kepok bananas in a whole new way. If you look closely, you will find lots of fibers in the flesh of the Kepok banana, and you will see that there is water content where the moisture is around the fibers of the banana flesh. And there is a yellowish color. This is a sign that the Kepok banana is in the process of ripening, where previously the creamy white color was a sign that it was still raw. Let's start with the most basic question. Where did it come from? Its story begins not in a modern supermarket, but in the center of the world's banana diversity, Southeast Asia. Genetic research shows that the ancestors of the Kepok banana were first seriously cultivated in the Philippines. From there, it spread throughout the Indonesian archipelago. This is one of the culinary legacies that unites us with our close neighbors. Now, this is definitely a common annoyance. Why is it that the skin of the Kepok banana sticks so tightly to the flesh, making it so difficult to peel when unripe? The answer lies in cellular bonds and its role as a processed banana. When unripe, the flesh of a Kepok banana is packed with billions of tightly packed starch molecules. The bonds between the skin and the flesh are designed to be strong by nature to protect its precious energy reserves. He wasn't ready to give up just yet. So, the next, bigger question. Why did the meat still feel tough even when it was cooked? And why wasn't it delicious to eat straight away? This is the essence of the uniqueness of the Kepok banana. Imagine the flesh of a regular banana, like sweet porridge. The flesh of a Kepok banana, on the other hand, is like a dense flour dough. Its starch, complex carbohydrate, content is much higher, while its natural sugar content is lower. This is why its flavor tends to be neutral, even slightly sour, and its texture is firm or fluffy. And this is precisely where its genius lies. This firmness and neutral flavor are the perfect blank canvas for a chef. He needs the intervention of heat to change his destiny. And so, we arrive at the ritual of transformation. Why is boiling or frying its best destiny? It's not just tradition, it's pure science. When the firm plantain meets intense heat, whether from boiling water or hot oil, a miracle occurs. Those stubborn, complex starch molecules finally give in. They absorb water, break down, and undergo gelatinization. The result? The hard texture is completely transformed into a soft, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Heat also helps reduce any sour or astringent flavors. However, there's a significant difference between the two methods. Boiling is the way of nutritionists. This method retains almost all of the good nutrients without adding extra fat. Boiled bananas are pure, honest, and healthy. Meanwhile, frying is the way to go for those who love deliciousness. What you see here are the tiny seeds in the banana flesh, and we'll continue our discussion where hot oil creates the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction that produces color. The resulting golden brown color and complex, crunchy savory flavor are addictive. But be careful, adding extra fat and calories can be stressful. So which is better? The answer lies in your choice. Are you looking for something healthy or delicious? Or a balance somewhere in between? After watching the fascinating cooking process, let's dive into what we're actually eating. What are the superpowers contained in the yellow/white flesh? First, it's a long-lasting natural battery. Thanks to its complex starches and high fiber content, it provides slow-release energy. It's much more stable than simple sugars. It's perfect for those of you who are active. Secondly, it's a friend to your digestion and your heart. Its fiber aids digestion. Its high potassium content is a reliable blood pressure and heart health booster. Plus, it's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making it a complete package from nature. But as with all things in life, balance is key. What happens if we become addicted to plantains, especially fried ones? Overconsumption, especially of overripe and processed foods with lots of sugar/oil, can lead to blood sugar spikes and weight gain. More seriously, for people with impaired kidney function, excess potassium from bananas can be dangerous. This also needs to be taken with caution by people with diabetes and those prone to migraines. So, that's the complete story of Pisang Kepok, from the seeds and their history in Southeast Asia to our plates full of memories. She's more than just a banana. She's a symbol of resilience, a versatile ingredient, and a humble yet rewarding culinary heritage. So, what's your favorite way to prepare Kepok bananas? Boiled with grated coconut, fried in crispy flour? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because we'll be delving deeper into what's around us. See you in the next video.